Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download a TD Bank Statement PDF. First, open your web browser and sign in to your TD EasyWeb account using your login details. After you reach the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen or click on the profile pic at the top right. Click on Statements and Documents to access your available account records. Next, select the account you want to view. Once the account is selected, click Statements and Documents to open the statement history. Now, use the drop-down menus to choose the month and year of the statement you need. After making your selection, open the statement. It will appear in a new window or in a PDF viewer such as Adobe Reader, depending on your browser settings. When the statement is visible, look for the download icon, usually shown as a downward arrow, or the Save icon in the PDF toolbar. Click it and choose a folder on your computer where you want to keep the file. Confirm the save location and wait for the download to finish. Once the file is saved, you can open it anytime, print it, or keep it for your records. Thanks for watching.